Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. They worked for years, saved every dollar, dirham, and pound, prayed for Barakah in their wealth. Yet when retirement finally came, they found something terrifying. The bank balance that once felt huge now looked fragile. Bills rising, inflation creeping. A life they hoped would be peaceful, suddenly uncertain. But somewhere else, far away in another city, another Muslim family slept peacefully. Bills coming in monthly, but so was income. Quiet, consistent, halal. Even while they slept, same faith, same prayers, same effort in life, different outcome. Why? What did one family know that the other never learned? And here's where it gets uncomfortable, but powerful. Most Muslims spend their entire lives working for money, but very few ever learn how to make money work for them in a way pleasing to Allah and protected by the law. Today, we uncover that secret, the halal path, the tax-efficient path, the path nobody teaches you in school. Stay with me. There's a moment coming, in a few minutes, when something will click in your mind so sharply that you will never see money the same way again. Let me ask you something. Do you ever fear working your whole life only to retire tired, not wealthy? Most Muslims do. Not because they're lazy, not because they're careless, but because many of us grew up believing earn, save, don't touch risky investments. And yes, caution is good, but here's the trap. Saving alone does not build wealth. It protects wealth, but slowly, silently, inflation eats it away. What if there's a halal way to grow your wealth, ethically, quietly, while preserving your values? Before we continue, think about this. Right now, how many sources of income do you have? 1, 2, what if you could have 5? What if you could build them while still working your job? Ethically, Sharia-compliant, legally shielded from unnecessary tax burden? Hold that thought. We'll return to it soon. Islam never told us to be financially weak. Rasulullah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "The upper hand is better than the lower hand." Sahih Bukhari. Meaning it is better to be a giver than a receiver. And Allah says, "And spend out of what we have provided for you." Quran 63 verse 10. How can we spend if we never build? Passive income isn't luxury. It is responsibility, dignity, and preparation. Because one day, you won't be able to work. And on that day, you'll need income that continues without you chasing it. Islam encourages halal enterprise, halal investments, and growth through real assets and ethical trade, not interest in exploitation. Now the question becomes, what halal vehicles allow passive income and protect you from excessive taxes? Let's clear one thing first. No shortcuts, no magic loopholes, no get-rich fantasies. Real wealth has 3 pillars. 1, earn actively. 2, invest halal. 3, structure legally to reduce tax burden. One without the others collapses. So what do smart, ethical Muslims use? Let's break down 5 halal passive income machines. Each one is Sharia-compliant, wealth-building, and legally tax-efficient. Stay to the end. The last method is the one most Muslims never hear about. 1. Rental real estate, halal ijra income. When done right, real estate is not only halal, it is the backbone of intergenerational Muslim wealth for centuries. How it becomes passive. Rent comes monthly. Tenants pay the mortgage if structure is halal, musharakah, diminishing partnership. Property grows in value. Tax-efficient strategies many halal investors use. Deduct repairs and maintenance. Depreciation benefits, holding property in a trust, or LLC, country-specific compliance. Cash flow plus appreciation. Comment below, would you prefer rental homes or commercial property? Why? Your perspective matters. Someone may learn from it. 2. Halal REITs, Sharia-compliant real estate funds. Not everyone can buy buildings. That's fine. Enter halal rates. Own property indirectly. No interest-based assets. Receive dividends. Liquid. Buy, sell easily. No landlord stress. This is how many Muslims quietly earn rental-type income through their phone with ethical screening. 3. Halal dividend stocks and funds. A factory sells halal products. A tech company builds tools. A logistics firm delivers goods. They profit, and they share a portion with you, the shareholder. Dividend income equal to passive income. Tax efficiency. Holding long-term often reduces tax liability in many countries. Retirement accounts, where applicable. Sharia-screened mutual funds and ETFs. But remember, this is not gambling. This is ownership. Many Sahaba were traders and asset owners. Islam supports real economic activity, not speculation. 4. Sukuk, Islamic income-producing certificates. Think of sukuk as asset-backed halal certificates that distribute profit, not interest. Used by governments, corporations, infrastructure projects. It's slow. It's steady. It's conservative. It is sleep peacefully income. Combine sukuk plus real estate plus dividends. You achieve diversified halal stability. 5. A system-based halal business, the most powerful. The most overlooked Muslim passive income. A business that runs without you, not a hustle, not freelance, a system. Examples: laundry business with automated machines. Vending operations, halal e-commerce brand, run by staff, automation, online education, with evergreen courses, halal service agency that hires operators, a business that earns even when you're not physically there. Remember when I asked how many income sources you have? The wealthy Muslim families had 3 to 5 reliable streams. Most struggling families had 1. This is not a coincidence. If these pathways exist, why do most never build passive income? 3 chains hold them: fear of losing money, confusion and lack of guidance, thinking salary alone is enough. Ask yourself honestly, is fear costing you more than trying would? Islam teaches tawakkul, not passivity. Tie your camel, then trust Allah. Rasulullah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, a man is not blamed for seeking halal wealth. Tirmidhi. Seeking halal wealth is ibadi when intention is right. To provide, to give zakat, to support family, to empower the ummah, to avoid dependence on anyone except Allah. Step-by-step roadmap. 1. Fix your intention. 2. Budget and free capital. 3. Start small, consistent. 4. Choose one income vehicle first. 5. Build automation. 6. Learn tax rules in your country. Lawfully optimize. 7. Scale gradually. 8. Reinvest profits. 9. Donate and purify wealth. Never stop learning. Passive income is not magic. It's discipline plus time plus sincerity. You can do this. Comment below. 1. What's one halal wealth goal you have for the next 12 months? 2. Which income type above fits your life best? 3. Do you want a part 2 breakdown for each method? I will be reading every comment. One day soon, your alarm will ring and you won't need to get up. Your bills will come and they'll already be covered. Your children will look at you, not as someone who struggled alone, but as someone who is built with wisdom, faith, and patience. Your effort, your intention, your trust in Allah. Passive income isn't just about money. It's about freedom, dignity, and legacy. Start today, and may Allah put barakah in your journey. Jazakumullahu khairan.